Today's topic is the fundamentals of the Java. Let's start with the fundamental of the Java. Java is a high-level, class-based and object-oriented programming language widely used for developing the web, desktop and enterprise application. It follows the write once and the run anywhere principle, allowing the Java program to run on any platform with a Java virtual machine. First, platform independent language supported by the JVM. Second, provide the object-oriented features such as the inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation. Third, known for its security, portability and robust memory management. Java development environment. The Java development environment is required to compile and run the Java program on a system. It involves the installing the JDK and config the Java environment variable like the path and the Java home so the system can access the Java tools properly. Environment variables such as the path and Java home. The development environment of Java consists of three components mainly. JVM. Java Virtual Machine. JVM is the engine that executes the Java program. It converts the Java bytecode into the machine code that the operating system can understand. Second, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JRE provides the environment required to run the Java application. It includes the JVM and the necessary libraries and supporting files. Third, JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK is used for developing the Java application. It includes JRE along with the development tools such as the Java compiler and debugger. Java basic syntax. Before writing the complex program, it is important to understand the basic syntax of a Java. The syntax defines the rule and structure of a Java code is written and executed. Every Java program is built using the classes method and the segment statement. Like the hello world class, there is opening braces, then the print the system.out.println and string argument, यानी कि हमारा यहाँ से मेन मेथड स्टार्ट होता है. देन वी create the opening braces and the print system.out.println is hello world. Then the closing braces and the output is the hello world. Main method is used for the start the execution of the program. Comments in the Java. Comments in the Java are the nodes written inside the code that are ignored by the compiler. They are used to improve the code readability, explain logic, and make the program easier to maintain. Types of comment in the Java. Single line comment, used for the writing a comment in a single line. Second is the multi-line comment, used for writing the comments across the multiple lines. Third, documentation comment, used to generate the official Java documentation using the Java clause. Data types in the Java. In Java, data type specify the type of values a variable can hold. They define the size, range and nature of data stored in the memory. Java has two main categories of data type: primitive, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. There is the 8 primitive type: non-primitive, string, arrays, classes, interface and objects. There are the 5 non-primitive data types. Variables in the Java. Variables are the container to store the data in memory. Each variable has a name, type and a value. It is the basic unit of storage in the program. Java has the 4 types of variables. First one is a local variable declared inside a method, constructor or block, accessible only within that block. Second, instance variable declared inside a class but outside any method. Each object of the class has its own copy. Third, static variable declared with a static keyword inside a class shared by all the objects of the class. Fourth, final variable declared with the final keyword. Value cannot be changed when assigned. Keywords in the Java. Keywords are the reserved words in Java that are the predefined, meaning they cannot be used as a variable name, classes name or identifier. Example: new, package, private, productive, public, return, short, static. Operators in the Java. Operators are the symbol that perform the specific operation on one or more operands, variable or values. They are used to perform the calculation, comparison, logical operation, and the manipulate data. There are the basically of seven types. First is the arithmetic operators, means plus, minus, multiplication, division, and percentage, used to perform the mathematical calculation on numeric value. Second is the relational operators. Relational operator used to compare the two values and return a Boolean result. Third is the logical operator, used to combine the or reverse the Boolean condition. Third, assignment operator, used to assign and update the variables of a values. Fourth, unary operators, used to perform the operation on a single operand. Then the ternary operator is the used as a shorthand for the if-else statement. Bitwise operator, used to perform the operation on binary bits of integer values. Decision making control statement in Java. Decision making or the control statement are used to execute the different blocks of code based on the certain condition. They allow a Java program to choose a path of execution depending on whether a condition is true or false. First, if execute a blocks of a condition is true. Second, if else, choose between the two blocks based on the condition. Third, if else test the multiple conditions sequentially. Fourth, switch, select the one block from the multiple option based on the variables values. Loops in the Java. Loops are the control statement in Java that allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly as the specified condition is true. They help in reducing the one code repetition. There are the four type of loops in the Java. First, used when the number of iteration is known. Second, while, used when for the number of iteration is not known in the advanced condition checked before each iteration. Then the third is the do while, similar to the while condition, but condition is checked after executing the block. Execute at least once. Fourth, for is used to iterate over the arrays and the collections.